coffee in my favorite cup. That's how I know. I know, hallelujah, I just love him so. When I'm in trouble and I have no friend, I know he'll go with me until the end. Everybody asks me how I know. I smile at them and say he told me so. That's how I know. I know, hallelujah, I just love him so. When I call him,
Come on, Will. Come on.
I'm telling that I'm all alone. By the time I count from 1 to 4, I am knocking on my door. In the evening and the sun goes down, and there is nobody else all around. He kisses me and he holds me tight. He tells me, baby, everything's alright. That's how I know. Hallelujah, I just love him so. Hallelujah, I just love him so. Hallelujah, I just love him so.
Thank God I didn't wait too long.
I was on the up.
Yeah.
And it finished. I just missed the down. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
Hello. My name's Georgia. I'm 27. I'm from Huddersfield in Yorkshire.
You're 27?
Oh, I'm 27, yes.
You look like you're like 19, 20.
I know when I'm 40, that'll come in handy, won't it?
Yes, it will. Yes, it will. You sounded amazing.
Thank you.
What an interesting song choice. Is that the style that you normally sing?
Yeah, I absolutely love Ray Charles, Etta James, Otis Redding, Gladys Knight.
Yeah, it was incredible, and I have no good reason for not turning round. I'm glad you're with Tom. I think out of all of us, he's probably going to show you the way. I think it's amazing that you look like 18, but you sound so, like, experienced. Yeah, it's just... I think you'll go a long way in this competition.
Thank you.
Yes. I think you did a great job on that song. I loved that song, and I loved Ray Charles. I loved what he did, and you did that song justice.
Thank you. Have you sung with Ray Charles?
Yes, I sang with Ray Charles.
Yes! I knew there was a reason.
And there's proof of it because I used to have a television show, and Ray Charles was on it, and we sang together. So that's proof. I'm not just saying it.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Wow.
Anyway, here I am, and here we are.
Team Tom! Team Tom! Well done. Hello. You are my size, yes. Just about, just about.
Welcome to the team, love. It was lovely. It was great. You did a great job. Oh, my pleasure.
How many have you got?
4. And they're all girls so far.
Problems.
My cousin, Adele, is amazing, and I'm in total awe of her. But I really want to be known for me and for my voice and for my sound. And I'm ready to show the world who I am and what I'm made of.